What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be installing some new rough country tow hook brackets and shackles. All right, guys, so I was looking for something to add some more aggressive look to the front of the Bronco. So I decided to get rid of the factory tow hooks or the loops and go with some new shackles. So here we have the rough country tow hook brackets. This is everything you get. They come matte black powder coated, has all the brackets, the hardware, and some instructions for you. So we're just gonna go over a quick install on how we're gonna install these. And then I also went with the big, oversized, aggressive black shackles. So let's get these out of here. And there we have it. So they're pretty big and honkery. So I thought they would look pretty aggressive from the front, make it look nice. So let's go over how we're gonna just remove the factory mud guard over on the Bronco. We'll remove the factory loops, and then we'll get these installed and then put the shackles on at the end. Before we even hit the car though, we can assemble the brackets that come with this.